Papa, see, look. This is my new model train, and this is a car, and this is the rescue train, and this is the freight car, and this is the engine, and this is the track. This is the flexible collapse. Whoa, look. That's it. It's an oval.
Okay, well, why don't you show them how it works?
Okay, see this little button, the light? Okay, now you... No, whoa! Make it go fast, 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 fast. Fast, fast, fast. Oh, look, it uncoupled. So I have to couple it back up, get it on the rails.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, get it going.
Okay. Honey.
Now,
Honey.
look. This is the rail track. I'll turn the train off.
And I came
let's
up
see.
packed
Now,
with
the
whips.
rails truck has
Hips,
rails.
hips, flaps.
It can drive on the tracks. And
Flaps and
it needs
flaps.
to drive
Flaps